Namaste, folks. Ever felt the strain of money on your relationship? It happens to the best of us. Did you know a whopping 75% of couples argue about money? Crazy, right? But here is the deal, it's not about the money, it's about us. So, picture this, you and your partner sitting down having an honest chat about your financial goals. Trust me, it works wonders. Setting joint goals like putting on a united front against money troubles. Now, let's talk budgets. I know, not the most exciting topic, but it's a game changer. Plan for your needs, sure, but don't forget to set aside some cash for the fun stuff. It can seriously dial down those heated money debates. And guess what? There is no shame in seeking a bit of professional advice, financial counseling. Ever thought about it? Sometimes an outside perspective can be a game changer. Trust me, it's worth a shot. Oh, and emergencies? They love showing up uninvited, right? What if we start saving a bit for those unexpected curveballs? It's like giving ourselves a safety net, right? Remember, it's not just about dollars and cents and money. It's about facing challenges together, strengthen that bond, tackle financial stress head on. If you found these tips handy, share the love, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. More life navigating tips coming your way soon. Take care.